Welcome back to 99 Reviews. Today we're diving into the brand new Hailuo 2 model, and trust me, this update is packed with magic. Text to video, image to video, custom characters, even AI image generation. And yes, you can export in 768p or 1080p. Let's see how much fun we can squeeze out of it. First up, text to video. You literally just type what you want and poof. It turns into a video with visuals and narration. Imagine writing a boring essay and suddenly it's a Hollywood trailer. That's the vibe. Got a random photo? Just upload it and boom, it becomes a moving video. Perfect for bringing still images to life. Even your dog's picture can become a TikTok star. This one's hilarious. Reference characters. You can make an AI version of yourself or even create a totally new presenter. Let's bring in Editor Uncle. He usually struggles with editing, but thanks to Hailuo, even he looks like a pro YouTuber now. No more endless Googling for stock photos. With image generation, you just describe what you want and bam! You've got a custom image. Want a cat in a spacesuit eating pizza? Say the word, and it's yours. All this runs on the shiny new Hailuo 2 model. It's smoother, faster, and way more accurate. Basically, it's the upgrade we didn't know we needed. And when you're done, you can export in 768p if you're in a hurry, or go full 1080p HD for that crispy YouTube look. So whether it's a meme or a professional presentation, you're covered. Super easy to use handles text, images, and characters like a champ exports in two qualities. But overall, totally worth it. So yeah, Hailuo 2 is one of the most fun AI video tools I've tried. It saves time, adds creativity, and honestly makes video editing feel like a game. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to 99 Reviews, and let's keep exploring AI tools together. See you in the next one.